Hello, new update finally. This is version 0.13 and this is mostly focused on performance updates, increasements, and also a new system for having a sort of infinite mode in the end. I'm still working on the full end game as well. It will come in a future update. But in the meantime, I introduced this new system that's called the order system. So when you press this black button, that is visible when you have reached the end of the current campaign and also in the sandbox mode. You get 3 orders that you can choose from. And they have different materials that you need to deliver, and for that you get different kind of rewards. You get money, you get research tokens, and research tokens is something that I will introduce in the next update, so stay tuned for that. So if you take order 3 here, now I need to deliver 10 iron slab, some plastic filament and some steel pipes. Perfect. And then I need to build up or like change my production cycle to accommodate this order. And those are per port, so you can have multiple orders simultaneously to, yeah. So that's cool. And I also added some other improvements and bug fixes. You can read the full changelog on Discord. Also, when you start the app, you get a summary as well. One that I didn't sort of mention in the changelog that good is that I added an invisible table, because I added a new way to play the game. So if you don't have room data, for example, if you're using it's called the flight mode or travel mode, I think it's called on the Quest, then you can't get the room data from your play space. And then you can play anyway now. And then you can also maybe wanna have tables or something, virtual tables that you can place that is not visible. Like I will post a video of me playing in an airplane, and then I want to have the flap that your table to not be visible in virtual reality. So I wanted to have like this invisible table. So if you place one of those tables that you have here on the platforms, and you take the square one, and then you use the info tool, and then you can, as before, you can change the style of it. But now there is also an invisible one. So this one makes an invisible building platform. So even if I haven't scanned this area, I can still build on it like this. So that's very useful for that scenario. And also some, like if you move around the table, like, oh, I don't want to rescan my room, I can add this kind of invisible table myself. So that's very handy. So yeah, that's about it. I will post much more frequent in the future now, and really look forward to that. So yeah, please stay tuned and see you next time. Bye!